when we do stuff at Jamie Bree, now you're wearing the shirts with CBU stuff. You have to understand the philosophy of boxing. Every coach has a different way of teaching. Not saying that they're wrong or they're right. Some of them are horrible, some are not good. I mean, some of them are good. But in the capacity, no matter what the height, the size, the width, or whatever, everybody has power. Okay? I don't believe that nobody's not a good puncher. It's just the way they distribute their weight that makes them a puncher.
Some people got natural power.
Some people have natural power. Right. Correct. But even a guy who doesn't have natural power can knock out guys. You know what I'm saying? So it's just no matter how you place your punch, it's not how hard you hit, it's how you hit them. Okay? So that's what you have to decipher from you, whoever's going to teach you boxing or further your knowledge of it. When you're stepping in your punches, you have to understand that you have to be on the balls of your feet. That way, if you're flat-footed, meaning your heel is touching the ground, you're not going to have no upper body or limited upper body mobility. Understand that. That means that you're not going to pivot effectively. No one, and I mean no one, is good, successful as a flat-footed fighter. Those guys get knocked out quickly. Okay? To any good boxer. If you're going to be in my camp, you have to be on the ball on your feet and be a mobile fighter. Because that speed and agility you're going to need to save your ass one day is going to help out a lot. I know everybody here has at least got rocked one time in the ring. You know what I'm saying? To the point where the shit is embarrassing. That you want to go retaliate and try to get back out, which is the wrong thing to do. Okay, so please focus on that and focus on your form, because form is everything. If you're a square fighter, you're not going to have any velocity on your punches, okay? Doesn't matter your size. You can knock a fucking Manute Bol guy down. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so let's get in. Remember, stay focused on the ball of your feet. Jab. 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 Double jab. Double jab. Get that elbow in. Double jab. Hook. Okay. See that now. I want you to understand, when he threw his hook, he put it out and didn't really throw it. He didn't pivot his body. He didn't turn his shoulder, and he didn't turn his hip, or he didn't pivot his foot to throw the hook in there. Now I throw it the right way. Throw it. Boom. Now you open. If you don't throw it defensively, how is the guy going to not respect that you hitting him with something? Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. Hook. Hook. Right here. Right here. Now, what do you think he did wrong on his right hand shot?
On the right hand shot, he lowered the...
Not only that, but what else did he do?
He didn't pivot.
Thank you. When you don't pivot, you should give me an arm punch. How much you weigh, Bob? 140. I want 140 in a minute. Not saying to throw it hard, but just distribute your weight into it. That shoulder must come past the shoulder when you pivot. Wow, that's it. Feel it, boom. Yeah, right. Pivot. No jab. 1, 2. You must step with your punch. Your hands must match your feet. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right. Turn that head with you. Very good. Again. 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. Now, give me 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Bring it back. Bring the right hand back quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2. Double jab right here. Again. Right here. Uppercut. Put it right. Hook. Pivot. Right here. Hook. 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 Take down low. Take down low. 1, 2. Take down low. Pivot. Double jab. Slip. Double jab. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Give me speed now. 1, 2. Double right hand. See now. Again, you're not pivot on your right hand. Okay, you just did this. I want push him. Push him. Push him. That's the right hand. I'm not even throwing it hard. Okay? I'm distributing my weight to move my opponent. Hurt, damage, whatever you want to call it. Okay? Right here. One right here. Right here. One double right here. Double jab. Hook. 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 You're not doing right. He already said he motioned it. You're not pivoting. You're not turning it. You're not turning your foot with you. You're not bringing your power with you. You're turning your arm, your upper body. This is your power. You can't deliver it if you don't throw it in there right. Okay?